StockLibrary AI has just dropped, and if you're curious about whether this new AI software is the real deal, you've come to the right place. In this StockLibrary AI review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether it's worth your time, money, and energy. First off, StockLibrary AI is all about making stock image sourcing faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before, thanks to its cutting-edge AI technology. If you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner who's tired of spending hours searching for high-quality stock images, this software promises to save you time and effort. One of the main selling points of StockLibrary AI is its ability to automatically generate images based on your search. You don't just get a list of generic stock photos. StockLibrary's AI actually customizes results to fit the specific style, theme, or mood you're aiming for. This can be a game changer for anyone working on branding, social media posts, or website design. It's also got an impressive user interface. Even if you're not tech savvy, StockLibrary AI's clean and intuitive design makes it super easy to search, select, and download images. You can filter your results by everything from color to composition, making sure you get exactly what you're looking for without endless scrolling. One of the most standout features I've found is how quickly StockLibrary AI processes your queries. Gone are the days of waiting for image results to load slowly or feeling overwhelmed by hundreds of irrelevant results. The software is lightning fast, giving you instant access to images that are already tailored to your needs. What really sets StockLibrary AI apart from the competition is its pricing model. Unlike other stock image platforms that charge per image or offer expensive subscription plans, StockLibrary AI offers a more affordable structure that ensures you're getting the most bang for your buck. They even give you the option to try it completely free, which means there's zero risk in seeing if it works for you. Another great aspect is the diversity of images available. StockLibrary AI pulls from a massive database, ensuring that you have access to a wide variety of styles, from corporate professional to trendy and artistic. This is especially important for those of us who need to fit specific tones for different types of content. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI can sometimes struggle with nuance. Maybe it doesn't get that perfect shot you're envisioning. But in my experience, StockLibrary AI is surprisingly accurate. It's got a powerful algorithm that learns and adapts with every search, getting better over time and constantly improving its recommendations. Before we wrap up, I want to point out that StockLibrary AI is an ideal tool for businesses and marketers who need quick, consistent access to high-quality imagery. Whether you're building a brand or just need a quick fix for your next social media campaign, this software can help streamline your process and improve your workflow. If you want to give StockLibrary AI a try for yourself, check out the link in the description below. As always, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of my recommended AI software that you can try for free, so don't forget to check that out. In conclusion, StockLibrary AI is one of the best just released AI tools out there for content creators, marketers, and anyone who needs great visuals in a pinch. With its speed, ease of use, and fantastic AI-powered search capabilities, it's definitely a tool worth exploring. Be sure to hit that link below and let me know what you think of StockLibrary AI.